Hi friends, how are you doing? Today I'm going to draw some emoji. So for the drawing of emojis, you can see that lots of options are available in the Google. So if you can browse through, you can connect all the pictures with my drawings. So let's start the drawing. First, you have seen that I've already drawn a smaller circle. You can see. So you can do the circle with the help of different instruments. I'm using these instruments for drawing this circle. Then we're going to draw some eye. So this is the right eye. For the drawing of emoji, all the simple techniques and simple presentations are used to show all types of emotions. That's why this is a very nice technique, and for the beginners it's a very useful technique to learn how to express different types of emotions. Usually, this type of drawing started from the chatting from Yahoo Chat or Gmail or other form of chats. So people used to show their emotions using these emojis. That's how this becomes very popular. So you can see this is a different kinds of art. For this drawing, I've just outlined the whole stuff. So I'm going to make the middle of the eyes and the face the darker. Okay, so when we put the dark color, let's draw it with a uniform shades to the whole part, the inside part, and also let's draw the left eye with a darker shade. Actually this is the darkest of all, so we're putting the uniform shade with the 6B pencils. Now we're going to put the dark shades here, and let's fill up in the middle in between the lines which are looks little like parallel lines here. All right, as you know, these lines are very strong, bold, expressive, so the formations is little different than the other drawings. Techniques also little different. After we fill up the whole part, then the other parts is going to have different colors, but in the middle you can see inside the smiley face this is going to be white, and the other borders this is going to be yellow color. Now we are going to put yellow with the pencil. Let's put the same shade for the whole drawing. All right, as you can see I'm putting the colors to the whole part, and I'm always trying to put a uniform shade as possible. Now you can see the drawing is almost done and we are coming to an end. Usually most of the emojis, the drawing style, they use this monochromic color tone, so most of the part is going to be yellow, and the special part which are used to express the expressions, those are yellow. But other types of drawings are also available. We're just using the simplest forms available. All right, okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. You can do the practice at home and make a better of your own better drawings coming up from all the practices. You can browse through the playlist and have different types of segments and particular categories. Which category is your favorite? You can select from that options and go forward to learn your drawing skills. All right, thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel as you like it, and put the bell icons on to get all the notifications and the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.